I'd do tracking. I'm tempting going tracking. $25 for 10 laps. I could go with my Golf R. Get 10 laps for 20 bucks plus a $5 helmet rental fee.
I'm probably gonna pass. Careful, careful, careful.
He's got nervous because he was right on me.
Yeah.
There you go. Going? I guess we're just going.
Easy. Immediate corner.
Am I getting on now? I don't even know.
Just take it easy, learn the track. You got 10 minutes. Just take it easy, learn the track. Jeez. Looks like a hairpin. Hairpin, yeah, hairpin.
Oh, is this the start?
Wow, this thing turns good. Holy. Right turn here. Okay, don't know what kind of turns here. Slow. Just learn the track. You can go next lap. Hairpin, by the looks of it. 90 degree. Oh, left. Okay.
Yeah, this is the start.
Oh, that was shorter than I thought. Wow. Easy.
It's good, eh?
Okay, don't push it too hard. Don't push it too hard. Yeah, don't do that. Take it easy.
There you go. I don't know what I'm doing. No one gave me instructions.
Drive smooth, outside to inside, just follow those guys. You can go out more here and dive in.
This is the straightaway.
Yeah, and then left hairpin at the end.
Porsche. I'm staying quiet. I don't know what the Porsche's gonna do. What? He's waving something. I don't know what I'm waving. Oh, you. Where'd you come from?
It's the corner you slid on. Take it easy.
Scary. Just because you can overdrive so easily.
Yeah, it's a small track. Your braking points are pretty late. That's fast but dangerous. Holy G-forces.
It's good,
Stay right. Left. To the wall. Brake. Hold left as much as you can. Further out and then dive back in.
What do you mean?
To try to get over there to get a nice sweep on the next corner. There you go. How are your brakes feeling?
Okay.
You got three cars right behind you.
What's that?
You got 3 cars right behind you. They're probably gonna pass. Careful, careful, careful.
He's got nervous because he was right on me.
Yeah. You guys have definitely done it before. 8 minutes in. Just don't get nervous on a car coming behind you. They'll pass you on the street.
So yeah, definitely my first time on a track. I don't know how many laps we did, but got most of it on camera. Right on. Let's hit the road, head her home.